Hey guys, super loud in here because we're kind of in a hospital room. Let's show you.
Ta-da! So these are just one set, really, of trailers that are just filled with equipment. And I have to admit that walking around and looking at all of this, and we're in here alone right now, so I don't really feel bad saying this. I feel like it's mad scientists. Like, these wires and tubes are going everywhere and they're connecting to little things that say like P7 and 4. I mean, it just blows my mind. But this is where that like faith in science comes in, and I feel so confident in what everybody's doing.
Well, but I think also it's faith in the process of understanding. Because if you look at something like, for example, this way. Yes. You might think that this stuff is made up. Like they're just kind of putting wires and then they get a number and then they say. But I think that what we're really going to try and explore this week is Grace and I are here to learn about this stuff, to explain it to you in a way that we can all understand. It's just like when you learn somebody's name, you imprint them a lot better and you can start to understand their personality because you know their name.
Yeah. So explaining this concept, it's a little bit like through there, that is the IV port, you know, into your arm and your measurements for the house. This is that machine at a hospital that you're hooked up to.
That being said, we're, as a film team, and Grace as a filmmaker who used to have full control when she was making a movie, we have very little control here. In fact, we're not allowed to film people's faces while they're inside the house because...
Let's go this way, where it's a little quieter.
There's an ethics review, and you're not allowed to match a person's identity to the data that you're getting. Just in case, for example, I pass gas inside, you're not supposed to make fun of me for doing that later.
And if you feel a little intimidated too...
Right now, I am a little embarrassed. I'm standing next to this, which doesn't look like much, but it's actually all of these tubes that are breathing in what I am shedding, which apparently is pretty gross. Just so you have the stats straight. Each one of us sloughs off, like Pigpen, 1 pound of skin flakes that's full of all kinds of compounds and particles and all that stuff per year, which means that over the course of our entire lives, we all are sloughing off about half a person. It's about 85 pounds worth of disgustingness that's coming off of us. Mine happens to be going in these tubes, which is being watched at the other end by a bunch of different PhDs that are saying right now, ew, who is that? They're not allowed to find that out. Thank God, because my identity is protected because of ethics rules. But it is a little bit nerve-wracking. I had no idea how embarrassing this would be.
Meet Delphine. In our cast of characters, she is the tool maker and one of the lead scientists on HOMEChem. Hi! Welcome to HOMEChem. I just wanted you to see some of the stuff that we're doing so that we can check out the cool innards of these awesome machines.
So stay with us on this crash course. Make sure that you're subscribed, comment below, participate. Tune in next time.
Bye.